Hey everybody, Chris here. Happy Thanksgiving. And I say that because it is what we make of it. Even though things are a little bit different this year, we're gonna make the most of Thanksgiving, and that's what I'm cooking today. This video is an entire Thanksgiving dinner, scaled down, portioned for 4 people, 4 adults, and very easy to make. The same flavors that you're used to, but made a little bit more grown up and friendly for small groups. So let's do this and make the most of this year. Instead of having a giant 20-pound turkey to feed 4 people, we are just going with 1 turkey breast that we're going to roast perfectly, and we're going to stuff it with some vegetables and herbs. That is going to be a great, great flavor, foundation of this meal. A lot faster to cook and easier to do right than doing a full turkey. So let's get going. Our stuffing is done, ready to go. We're going to prep the turkey breast, and what we want to do is we want to kind of fillet it open so that it can be rolled into what's called a roulade, which just means like rolled basically, so super fancy word. We'll start from the bottom and trim off these little sinew pieces. Those can be a bit tough, and once you have it laying flat, we're gonna go about 1 inch up, and we're just going to cut all along the back until it starts to open up like this. And then as it continues to roll open, you continue cutting and it'll fillet open, and then we can roll it back up. While the turkey is roasting, we're going to turn our attention to the mashed potatoes. Dairy-free, super delicious, really creamy, but also some texture because I leave the skins in, my preference. Some of the ingredients may seem weird. Trust me on this. They're dynamite. You just got to go with me on this. Some of them seem weird. They're really good. Instead of butter, we're going to use vegan butter. This is my favorite brand, not sponsored. Really, really good though, great flavor. And then a lot of the creaminess of these mashed potatoes actually comes from veganase. This is kind of the weird ingredient that I put in that may seem odd, but trust me, it is so good. It's gonna make the mashed potatoes awesome. I also add chicken stock as some of the liquid in the mashed potatoes to help them not be so dry. If you want to make the mashed potatoes fully vegan, then you can just use vegetable stock. Green bean casserole is a classic Thanksgiving dish. We do it a little bit differently. Instead of the actual green bean casserole with cream of mushroom soup and the fried onions on top, we just do asparagus and mushrooms with some lemon, garlic. Super, super good. Very familiar still, but goes a little bit better with what we are making for Thanksgiving. Of traditional cranberry sauce, I'm going to make a cranberry balsamic glaze that is just going to be drizzled over the top, help balance all of the rich flavors. Unsweetened cranberry juice, balsamic vinegar, and then some orange zest and juice of one orange. This is a blood orange, use whatever kind you like. I like the flavor of this, but any of them work. Sun is starting to go down. That means it's about dinner, and just in time, because this is so delicious. I think anybody that you make this for is gonna really appreciate it, and it's very allergy friendly for a lot of people. Easy to adjust to be good for even more people. Give this a try this Thanksgiving. Even though you can't be with everybody that you would like to be with, you can really treat those special who you're able to be around. So give it a try. The full recipe is linked in the description of this video. Make for somebody that you care about. Take care.